El arte y la naturaleza se unen una vez más en el noroeste de Arkansas desde el 1 hasta el 31 de mayo. El festival Artosphere regresa al Walton Arts Center con una serie de eventos para toda la familia, con una serie de programación gratuita y con precios asequibles. La comunidad podrá disfrutar de música, actividades al aire libre y experiencias culturales únicas. Tuvimos la oportunidad de hablar con Grace Lindquist, gerente asociada de Relaciones Públicas del centro, para conocer más. Aquí tenemos los detalles.
El festival Artosphere, presentado por el Walton Arts Center, regresa este año como una celebración del arte, la música y la naturaleza, reuniendo artistas inspirados en el medio ambiente. Desde el 1 hasta el 19 de mayo, el festival ofrece decenas de eventos en diferentes puntos del noroeste de Arkansas, incluyendo conciertos, actividades familiares, experiencias interactivas y talleres creativos. Muchos de estos eventos son gratuitos o de bajo costo, buscando que más personas puedan participar y conectar con la naturaleza a través del arte.
The annual Artosphere Arts and Nature Festival is back this May 1 through 19, with over 24 events. And there's all kinds of different events. There's musical performances, there's a show just for preschoolers, there's a lot of different workshops this year so everyone can learn something new. The purpose has been to bring art outside of the Walton Arts Center walls and to make it more accessible. So that's why most of the events you'll see are free or low cost. But on top of that, we also want to start conversations about sustainability in art. So most of the artists that we're working with and highlighting focus on sustainability or nature when they make their art.
Entre las actividades destacan presentaciones musicales y eventos en senderos como Tunes on the Trails y experiencias en jardines, bibliotecas públicas y espacios al aire libre. Artosphere se ha convertido en uno de los eventos más populares e importantes de la primavera en Fayetteville, combinando cultura, educación y entretenimiento para todas las edades.
Yes, Artosphere kicks off with 2 events in one night. So it starts with Trail Mix, which is our signature Artosphere event, a fan favorite that comes back every year. And it's basically all of these artists that are scattered along the Lower Ramble Trail in Fayetteville. So you're going to see the Ento Roadshow, which is like a bug exhibition from the University of Arkansas, but you're also going to hear Las Hermanitas Alvarez and Common Roots and some other musicians as well. This is a great event for families and kids. And then that ends at 7:30, but the party doesn't stop there. You can go up the trail to the Upper Ramble, where we're going to be having this kind of Rowdy in the Ramble festival. Up the trail, we're going to be having a festival called Rowdy in the Ramble. And it's going to be still family fun, but more like a fun nighttime festival.
Si quiere conocer el calendario completo de eventos, puede visitar el sitio web del Walton Arts Center.